Welcome to another episode of Learning Curve, where we dive into the fascinating world of data science, geostatistics, and machine learning. Today's guest, Professor Michael Perch from the University of Texas at Austin, has developed a groundbreaking resource to help students navigate these complex fields. Hey there, everyone! I'm super excited to talk about something that can really help both students and professionals in the data science arena. You know how sometimes you hit a wall when trying to grasp a new concept? Well, Professor Perch has created interactive Python dashboards that are designed precisely to help people overcome those intellectual hurdles. Professor Perch, welcome. Thanks for having me. It's great to be here. So, could you tell us a little about what inspired you to create these dashboards? Sure. As I was teaching my classes on data analytics and geostatistics, I noticed that students often struggled with certain concepts. So I thought, what if I could use interactive technology to allow them to play around with the data and models? That's how the idea came about. That's amazing. It really sounds like a hands-on approach to learning. Can you share some specific topics that students can explore through your dashboards? Absolutely. We cover a wide range of topics like Bayesian and frequentist statistics, Monte Carlo methods, machine learning techniques, and even uncertainty modeling. It's all about letting students engage with the material in real time. Wow, that's quite a lineup. It must be quite fulfilling to see students grasp concepts through experimentation. Speaking of experimentation, you've mentioned using Binder to host these interactive workflows. Can you explain what that is and how it helps students? Definitely. Binder is a platform that allows users to run interactive coding environments without needing to set up anything on their local machines. This means students can jump right into working with complex models without any tech barriers getting in the way. That's a game changer. It's almost like you're removing the roadblocks to learning. Have you seen a difference in student engagement since implementing these tools? Oh, for sure. The feedback has been incredibly positive. Students feel more empowered when they can manipulate the data directly and see the effects of their changes. It leads to deeper understanding and better retention of concepts. I love that. Now, let's pivot a bit. In your experience, what are some common pitfalls students face in data science, and how do these interactive tools help alleviate those issues? Great question. One common pitfall is misunderstanding statistical models. By using interactive dashboards, we can visualize the effects of changing parameters, which really helps students see what's happening rather than just reading about it. It's like night and day. That truly puts the science in data science. So, if someone wanted to check out these resources, what's the best way to get started? They can check out my GitHub repository, which includes all the interactive dashboards and educational materials. It's intended for anyone interested in data analytics, and I'm always looking to engage with new learners in this field. That's fantastic. Lastly, before we wrap up, what's one key takeaway you'd like our listeners to remember about learning data science? I'd say, never be afraid to experiment. Data science is all about trial and error. Embrace the mistakes and learn from them. And remember, with the right tools and resources, anyone can master these concepts. Incredible advice. Thank you so much, Professor Perch, for sharing your insights and resources with us today. It's been a pleasure. Closey.